Good day, everyone. I'm Thomas Junior Ediquito, College Instructor, UM Ligas College. I'll be presenting my research this day virtually. My research title is Integration of Climate Change in Science, Technology, and Society, or STS, Trends and Issues. For the introduction, the science of climate change is one of the most evident of humans' effects on past, present, and future climate, wherein the vulnerability of individual and communities to climate change is determined by its location, serviced by the local government, and coping mechanism. This study focuses in identifying the trends and issues in climate change integration in science, technology, and society. Specifically, it aims to answer the following questions. What are the trends in integrating climate change? What are the issues faced by teachers in climate change integration? What are the effects of these trends to the teaching processes and learning outcomes? And what are the effects of these issues to the teaching processes and learning outcomes? For the methods, the researcher uses the qualitative research method, specifically the use of in-depth interview or IDI and document analysis. The documents that are being used in this study was the syllabus used by the teachers, the books that are being used by the teachers and students, and the notes used by the students. And for the participants or the research local, this research was conducted in UM Digus College. 4 science teachers and 10 students from different courses was being interviewed. For the data analysis, the researcher uses the thematic analysis and analysis method. For the thematic analysis, the researcher formulated themes based from the responses of the participants. These responses are further organized into basic themes, organizing themes, and emergent themes. For the analysis method of data analysis, the researcher formulated a code from the responses of the participants. These codes was later used in thematic analysis. For the results and discussions. First is the trends in integrating climate change in science, technology, and society. Based from the responses of the participants, 3 basic themes emerges. These are the use of multimedia, the hands-on experience, and active learning. These 3 basic themes are further organized to form the emergent theme, which is the experiential learning. Experiential learning is a theory developed by Kolb in 1981. Kolb 1981 defined experiential learning as the learning through reflection on doing. For the second question, the issues in climate change and integration in science, technology, and society. Based from the responses of the participants, 3 basic themes emerges. These are the additional burden, the teacher's limited knowledge, and limited ICT-based materials. These 3 basic themes are further organized to form the emergent theme, which is the teacher's insufficient preparation. For the third question, the influence or effects of trends to teaching, learning processes, and learning outcomes. First is the teaching learning processes. Based from the responses of the participants, 2 basic themes emerges. These are able to encourage students and able to develop metacognition among students. These 2 themes are further organized to form the emergent theme, which is the become a motivating teacher. Meanwhile, for the learning outcomes, 4 basic themes emerges. These are students' knowledge is enhanced, students become more responsible, and students develop sense of ownership. And also, students become more reliant. These four themes are organized to form the emergent theme, which is students' climate change awareness is strengthened. For the question 4, the influence or effects of issues to teaching, learning processes, and learning outcomes. First is for the teaching learning processes. Based from the responses of the participants, 2 basic themes emerges. These are convey wrong information and time consuming. Based from these two basic themes are organized to form the emergent theme, which is deliver insufficient information. Meanwhile, for the learning outcomes, two basic themes also emerges. These are affect students' understanding and students' personal choice to learn. These two basic themes are further organized to form the emerging theme, which is affect students' decision making. For the synthesis of the finding, the concepts are in the forms of ideas, topics related to climate change. These concepts are being presented in the forms of the lesson strategies, the syllabus, related information, and responses. Moreover, based from the following information, the trends and issues in climate change integration emerges. For the trends, the major trends is the experiential learning in the form of teachers become more motivating and students climate change awareness is strengthened. For the issues, we have the major issue is teachers insufficient preparation in the form of deliver insufficient information, and because of this it affected the students decision making based from the based from the trends and issues. A training proposal was presented or being performed. Okay, for the conclusion, the following are the conclusion draws based on the findings derived from this study. First, teachers use different strategies in integrating climate change in science, technology, and society. These strategies also affected the teaching learning processes and learning outcomes in a way that teachers become an excellent motivator for students to understand the concepts of climate change better. However, due to various issues that the teacher experiences in climate change integration, it affected their processes, and as a result, they provided insufficient information to the students. Moreover, this insufficient information could lead to students' confusion that could affect their understanding toward climate change. For the recommendations, in the light of findings and conclusions, the following recommendations are offered. First is higher education institutions should create a training proposal and conduct seminars for teachers to address the prevailing issues of climate change integration in science, technology, and society. Increase the HAI or higher education institutions teachers' participation in any advanced training and workshops related to climate change and environmental education. Third, further study may be conducted on integration and barriers experienced by teachers integrating climate change in science, technology, and society. Okay, so thank you and have a good day. So that's all.